Open Settings on your Vivo phone. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Tap on Language and Input. Now tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Select your current keyboard. It's usually Vivo keyboard or Gboard. Below, you will see an option for Manage Keyboard. Tap on it and look for Voice Typing or Voice Input. Make sure it's turned on. Now, open WhatsApp on your Vivo phone. Open any chat you want to send a voice-typed message to. Tap on the message bar at the bottom to open your keyboard. Now look for the microphone icon on your keyboard. It's usually in the top right corner or near the spacebar. Tap on it. Your phone will now start listening. Speak clearly, and your words will automatically be typed into the message box. Once you're done speaking, tap the microphone icon again to stop. Check your message and tap Send. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.